So you can see that in this procurement sourcing, one purchase agreement is there. Click purchase agreement. And now go to click new. Suppose I'm just we are making agreement with vendor is, suppose this one is the vendor. I think already there in agreement. I'm changing anything. Okay, let it be. So this purchase agreement classification is nothing but only for display purpose. You can make it anything, because in general in Japan or something, US or something, they are for purchase agreement they are saying blanket purchase agreement. So this is nothing. You will do it manually. Vendor reference number, what actually vendor will provide you when you are creating one agreement. He will provide you that this is my reference number. You can take it. So suppose just like V and D1111 like that, some reference number which we have received from vendor. Purchase agreement number has been created. Currency okay. Here a default commitment we are getting something. Product quantity commitment, product value commitment, product category value commitment. So the product quantity commitment means we will create one agreement for quantity wise. So suppose I will click product quantity agreement, and when we have given the product quantity commitment, and the agreement will be effect from which date to which date. This is today's date, and I just want this should be effective till 30th of September. Click it OK. So same as it is, just like a purchase order, one header and line view will be displayed. Click add line. Suppose A0001, I'm going to create one agreement for A0001. Site is 24. One second, site will come. Okay, so I'm going to make an agreement of 100 quantity. Okay, and price is, suppose you can say that one quantity is $10. Okay, so now we have to save it. So confirm it. Click it OK. Then release order. So here also they will ask you, because now agreement has been done, but from because we made this agreement for 100 quantities. So now what happened? We are creating one purchase order of 50 quantities. Suppose, okay, 50 pieces. So create a purchase order of 50 pieces. So it is taking time. Second. Okay, you can now see that one purchase order will be created automatically. I'm just copy the purchase order and go to the procurement sourcing, purchase order, all purchase order. So I'm just, I think 38 only last. Let's see, is what's a 375 something. Okay, this is the purchase order. You can see now that for the particular vendor, 50 quantities and 10 is unit price has been created. So we are giving the location. The location did not require a location required. So I'm giving something 24. Let's see this location I'm giving, and now you can see that in this line 11 in the purchase agreement and line details, there is a option called fulfillment. You can see here, out of 100, 50s are remaining in our agreement and 50 are released. And when you create the product receipt, this 50 will be go to the product receipt, and when you invoice it, it will be going to invoice it. And it's in this agreement, 50 quantities are remaining because we have released 50 quantities. So this is all about the purchase agreement, and there are few, I think 3 or 4 scenarios are there. I have described in the last session. You just go through that, you will easily understand. And this is one, and product, I just tell you that what is the scenarios. This is quantity level, we are creating the agreement. Suppose value level means you just create a agreement for price wise, net amount wise. That means you should create one purchase agreement. Suppose you are the customer, I am the vendor. Sorry, I am the customer, you are the vendor. So I will make an agreement with Dipti around $10,000. So whenever you are creating any item and whenever the and the amount will be finished, then the agreement will collapse. So how much amount you are purchasing, same amount will be deducted and it will be displayed here only. This is one. And the third scenario is product category, procurement category. You can go through that, do one by one and see my video.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
I can hear your voice, but I think Gandhip's voice has gone.
Hello, Gandhi. That's recording. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
No,
Gandhi.
hi, Gandhip. Gandhip, are you there?
His voice is now.
Must be some internet problem. Oh yeah, he will come back, Vinod.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, how is your health, Deepthi?
Yeah, Vinod, that's going okay, but the recovery is really very slow.
Mm.
Not sure
Now
why.
it's, yeah,
Yeah.
now it's audible.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
sorry, my net connection disconnected suddenly. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Oh, now you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Um,
Yeah.
Gandhip,
Dipti.
can I ask you one question?
Yeah. You can go ahead.
Gandhip, like for example, if we put for the quantity base, product quantity
Okay.
commitment for the purchase agreement, um, and what if we change the price for the remaining amount? Will that reflect in the purchase order, or as we
No.
have already
Yeah.
created? Okay, it's not
No.
going to.
Uh,
Okay,
no. Actually, what happened? That's why Microsoft has created four kinds of category scenarios. This is
mm-hmm.
only for quantity. Whenever you are releasing the order, okay. So quantity wise, you now got that. Now I'm going to create one value wise. Let's see what will happen. So this is a purchase agreement. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. You can ask me.
Yeah, like for example, for with the one vendor,
Mm-hmm.
can I create then two agreement, one for the
Yes.
quantity and other for the
Yes.
value? So if I
Yes.
change any of those,
Uh-huh.
the changes should reflect in the purchase order creating after the change is done. Yeah.
That's why they have given another format is called product category value commitment.
Okay.
This is for both product and with value. Actually,
Okay.
this is product quantity and this is only for product value, and product category value commitment means that we are creating some more products and we will put it one category with value. This is for both. And
Okay.
this value commitment, even I don't know, I haven't used anywhere in the only value commitment. Let's say you should explore these things. I will tell you means in the next class, because value commitment I haven't used anywhere. We are generally using because purchase agreement we are never using anywhere. But in my last couple years ago, I have used only the product category value commitment. Okay.
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 Okay. So, but even though if I'm, for example, I'm using quantity based, and
Mm-hmm.
if I change the quantity,
Mm-hmm.
that would be fine. The agreement
Yes.
can take the changes in the quantity, right? And it
Yes.
will
Yes.
reflect in the purchase order. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you can go ahead and create three parts. Then you can
Mhm.
easily means get understand your question what you're asking. Because I understood you are saying that can we create both quantity and both value at a time, right?
Yeah.
That you will create in product category value.
Product category. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now go ahead for the next topic. I'm just asking you, both have any idea means price and discount trade. because I will start from scratch. Or if you know something, then I will just describe the advanced one. Uh, Dipti, do you know anything trade agreement journal?
No, no, Gandhi. I haven't come
No.
across it.
No.
No, thanks.
Okay. So it's okay. So we'll start from scratch. So actually, this is one module. I think it will take around 2 hours. I think. Suppose I'll go through all the things. I will, and I must tell you that I'll go all the things because this is one topic. I think every project are using trade agreement. Every project, whatever project you will do, this part will be there only. So we should understand what is trade agreement.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Gandhi.
Again disconnected maybe.
Yeah, he will come back. Sometimes it happens, right? Hi, Gandhi. Maybe you can drop off and come back. We can't hear you.
Yeah, sorry guys. Actually, means you can hear me now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, in my city, from last 4 days, we are getting heavy, super heavy rain. So the network is fluctuating. So now I'm connected through mobile. So let's see how it is fast.
If you don't mind, Gandhi, which
Yeah,
city are you from?
I'm belongs to actually Odisha.
Mm-hmm.
Inside the Odisha, one city is there, Barampur. There I belongs. But in
Okay.
my office based location is Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay, so starting again.